going to be a little quick haul video. I have hair accessories, a few clothing type items. If you have a daughter or a niece or whatever, this is going to be really good for kids as well, because there are a lot of kids hair accessories in this video. So let's get it popping. First off, I'm just going to start off with this package, which are like the clothing items and stuff like that. It's from Catch This T-shirt, T-E-A-S-H-I-R-T. I will link their website down below. She sent me a few things, so I have like some jewelry and a few clothing pieces, and she sent me stuff for me and my baby. The website is catchthisteashirts.com, CATCHTHISTEASHIRTS.com. okay, so these are some little leg warmer type things. So these are for my daughter, so she sent these, and also with it is a headband to match that's black and white with the lace. And then for the shirt, she actually sent my baby this onesie. She already wore it and I washed it. So it says straight out of mommy, like the straight out of Compton shirts and stuff like that. So that is what this is, and it's real cute, and it's kind of like a 0 to 3 month size. It doesn't even tell you what size it is, but she could fit in it now. Also, she sent me a few shirts, and on the day that I put that shirt on my daughter, I wore this shirt, and this one says somebody's fine ass mom, but the ass is like, it has the star, so it's not actually, you know, it doesn't have cursing on it. And ooh, that just made the lighting so bad with the white t-shirt. But yeah, so I got this shirt, and she sent me this shirt in a medium, and then she actually sent me that same exact shirt in an extra large. So I'm gonna give this one to my mom, and she could just, you know, wear it around the house or whatever. So yeah, I got the same exact shirt in an extra large. I think she probably sent me two, because at the time when she was trying to send it, I was still pregnant. So I would have had one that I could wear, you know, either or, which I still could have fit the medium while I was pregnant, because y'all know I ain't get that big. So yeah, then I also got these shirts as well. And this one says priceless, and it just has the barcode, and it says priceless at the bottom. I love shirts like this to wear, you know, like around the house, or I can go run to the post office or whatever I need to do in these kind of shirts. And they're really comfortable, good quality cotton material. And then lastly, this one says out here being cute, and this is how this one looks. And all of these are medium, and let me just show y'all the business card. It's so cute. Well, the tag, let me just show y'all the tag. It's really cute. It looks like a little credit card. Super cute. That is that one. And that is the clothing pieces that I got from here. I also got a hair accessory. Let me grab it. Y'all watched like my recent headband wig video, the one where I had the bob. A lot of people were asking where did I get this Prada headband from, and it came from this same company. So this is the Prada headband, and it's like squishy or whatever, you know, like the padded ones. So she sent it to me in red. I actually need to order myself a black one, because super cute. And I didn't even think I was going to use the red one as much, but I did actually wear it, you know, quite a bit already. For the accessories, I believe the headband as well came from this website. So this website is Cutesy Girl, and it's cutesygirl.com, CUTESYGURL.com. So she sent me some accessories also. So I got these earrings. One of them came off of the paper. Cute. It's like a nice statement. So that's that one. Also sent me some brooches. So this is super cute, and I think these will be nice to layer onto my denim jacket, because I have like a Chanel one, so I can kind of like do all the different ones together. Would be really cute. So this is this one. It's a Gucci brooch, and it has the multicolors in it. She also actually sent me a Chanel one. This one is gold. Mine's is like just the plain silver CCs. So this will be real cute also. And this one looks like this. Super cute. There's a lot you can do with these, but they look really good on like denim jackets and stuff like that also. Or even if you have like a really plain dress or shirt, you can pop it on and it will give it a totally different look. So I do like to have brooches for my baby shower. My dress was plain and simple, but I added my Chanel one on and it just took it to the next level. Okay, now we're gonna move into the hair accessories that I got from UBC. Stuck everything in this bag, but if you can see, I have a lot of stuff inside of here. So all of these items cost $1. I did want to let y'all know that all of these items are $1, and I mostly got hair accessories because there are so many hair accessories on the website, but she does also have makeup, jewelry, they have masks on there. They have like a variety of a lot of different stuff, and mostly everything is $1. A few things were more than $1, but everything that I got in this video was $1. Okay, so keep that in mind, $1. Okay, so the first thing that I got is some elastics, and these are basically like rubber bands, but it's the plastic ones. And this pack comes with the black, white, and clear ones. So I just got some of these because I didn't have any. I can save these to use for my baby for when we start to use this type of thing, or I can use them for myself. So either or. Most of the stuff that I got is for her, but a few things were for me. So next I got these bows. I'm gonna just take it out of the pack, but these do have the little clip on it, and these were really cute. I like the size. The only thing I will say, on the website, I do wish that the bows said how many inches they were, because that would really help me, since I'm used to like kind of knowing what inch size fits on her head best. On the website, you can't really tell if it's a big bow or a small bow. You kind of just take a chance and see what you get. So this is this set. So you have the blue, red, white, and black. And if y'all can see, it has these little curly pieces in the center. So I liked that because it gave it a little bit of a different vibe. And we didn't have any like this. If y'all watched my baby shower haul or something, I think I showed y'all that I had like a lot of headbands and bows for her, but we didn't have any that looked like this. So I was like, let me get these. So I got this set, and then I also got this color set as well with the light pink, yellow, lime green, and hot pink. And then I think there may be another set with the little curly things, but I don't know if it's down in here or not. I will have to find it. But yeah, I got those two. And then I also got some that look like this. Oh, and I didn't show y'all. It just has the little clip on the back of these. All of them are pretty much made like this, where you have the little clip like this. The ones that I usually order are lined, but I don't know. We will see how well these stay in her hair because she hasn't worn them yet. So these next sets that I picked up have the diamonds on the center, and it comes with 2 of each color. Her bows that she has been wearing are really small, so sometimes I'll just do 1 in the center, or sometimes I'll do 2 like right at the center kinda. But these are probably a little bigger, so I would probably just do 1 right now if she was to start wearing these. So with these, I got several colors of these as well. So I have this one with the teal and the peach color. This one has a light pink and like a turquoise color. This one has the hot pink and the purple. This one has the black and the white. This one has yellow and lime green. This one has red and navy blue. So there were a lot of colors of these with the stones in the middle. So I just picked them all up because you can't go wrong with bows and stuff. So yeah, I figured even if they were bigger or whatnot, she can just wear them later if they're too big. Which brings me to this. I did pick up 1 headband. I wasn't sure about the headband because I didn't know how big it was going to be, if it was going to be for a older girl or like for a baby. So I picked up this 1 headband, and I just liked this one because it has, you know, a different kind of bow with some different textures to it. So yeah, she has like every single color bow, but I just tried this 1 headband, and it is like a good size that she would be able to wear now. So we'll definitely be wearing this soon. And then also these 2 bows. Now I thought these were super cute, but I did not think that they were this big at all. Like these are definitely more so bows that fit for my size head, but they are so pretty, and they give me like JoJo Siwa vibes, like but they're like a little bit more on the dressy side. So they're sequined out, and then it has stones in the center. Like if you have an older daughter, this would be so cute. Or you know, like if your daughter is older, obviously this is too big for my baby's head, but like look how it looks on me. Like it's really big and pretty. And then also I had this one as well, and this one is black and yellow. I thought that it was gold and black, that's why I picked it up, and I thought it was small because it would go with some stuff that she has. But this one is like multicolored and really pretty, and this one is a little bit smaller than this one is actually, like if you can see that, and they're made different. Like this one has sequins on the back and this one doesn't. But yeah, I think this one is so cute. Like if you have an older daughter, this will be super cute. Obviously I will probably just keep it for her, but you know, I could wear it myself too. Like I had a ponytail at the top and I tried it and it was actually real cute. Like if you were going out, like it gives me like New Year's vibes and stuff like that, or if you just want to be extra. But yeah, so I got those, and then also I got some really cute clips because I thought these would be really cute that I could add to her hair, especially since her hair is still shorter or whatever. So these are like a neon set, and then I also got this pastel set. Also got a neutral set as well that has the black, the clear, and like the tortoise brown color. So these are real cute that we can do, and we can do like two little clamps on each side, like two ponytails. And then I also had picked up some of these as well. I didn't know that I had got two flower sets, but I guess it's okay because sometimes these end up breaking. But these are just like flowers, so I have two of those. I could have sworn that I had picked one flower and something else, but I guess I got two flowers. So then I also got these bows, and all of these are the same, but you know, in different colors. So I got this set that has the darker teal, a lighter teal, yellow, and then like a tan color. And then we have this one, raw blue, sky blue, like a purple and a light lilac purple. We have black, navy, red, and white. And then we have all these different shades of pink, coral, and red. These are these. So this is a nice size as well. It's not too big, but it's probably like a little too big for her right now. So we'll probably save those. I also got some hair ties that I can use for my hair and stuff like that. So it's just like the regular little soft ones. And then I also got some more of those hair ties, the larger ones, because I like to use these on my hair. So I got the black and the white. And then I also got myself these really cute knockers that are furry. So they look like this. They're just like little fur balls. So I got two black ones, and then I also got two of the pink ones as well. And these will be real cute, like to do in your hair or whatever. Well, I will probably put the black and the pink together, or vice versa, you know, like real cute. So I got these, and then I saw that they also had the little bitty ones. So I had picked these up for myself initially, but then I was kind of like, yo, I might just save this for her. I thought that I had picked up two of each of these, but I don't know where the other one is. Oh, it fell. Okay. So yeah, I picked up two sets of each of these. So they had the brighter neon set. These are so cute if you have an older daughter. And then also this darker color set. So I picked up two of each, so she would have one of both colors. Like I said, I kind of picked these up for myself, but I don't know. I may just end up saving them for her, but they are really cute. Real cute. Also picked up these as well, and these are really sparkly and pretty. So I picked up a set of them to use for my baby, and then I also got another set for myself because these are just bomb. But like if I want something a little bit more dressy, or I just want some bling on her, this will be cute to just use as a bow, like a little barrette right in the front. And then I also got these eyebrow razors, and y'all know whenever I'm cutting my lace off, or I am cutting baby hairs into a wig or whatever, these come in handy. So that's everything that I got. And don't forget, y'all, all of this stuff is $1. Like, definitely go check out some stuff for your daughter or your niece, or, you know, any little girl that you have in your life. Or if you like bows and stuff like that, definitely check them out. So yeah, they have a lot of really cute hair accessories, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I need to go because my mom is about to come over for lunch, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry I didn't get to show y'all baby girl in this video, or like put a headband or a bow or something on her so y'all can see how it looks, but she is asleep right now and I'm not gonna wake her up to come and film. And I know a lot of y'all have been asking to see her. She is on my Instagram, but I am gonna do a video or whatever, like with her in it soon enough. Okay, so yeah, bye dolls.